In this video, we'll review how to upload local offline files through the Polaris production staff client. Local offline transaction files are stored locally on the computer in the C drive program data folder. If you don't see this folder in your C drive, it may be hidden. You'll need to unhide the folder so it's accessible by the Polaris staff client. Set the folder to display by opening the View menu and selecting Show Hidden Items. Right-click on the program data folder to view the folder's properties, then deselect the hidden checkbox. We're ready to move into the staff client to upload the files. Log into the Polaris staff client with your Polaris username and password. For the video demo, I'm logging into the training staff client. When uploading files for your library, you'll use the production staff client. So make sure the toolbar is blue. We will use the Bookmobile utility to upload the files, found under the circulation menu. Once the Bookmobile opens, go to Tools and Options. Select the option to display all offline transaction log files and click OK. Once you select this option, you may see files from other libraries that have been added to Bookmobile but not yet uploaded. To locate your computer's local offline files, click Find File. The File Explorer will open to the Polaris Remote Desktop folder, so our next step is to use this File Explorer to navigate to your computer's offline transaction folder. Here's how to get there. Select your computer's C folder, Program Data folder, Polaris folder, the folder for the current software version, Offline Transaction folder. Here you'll find the local offline files. These are the files with the .trn file extension. Select the file or files to upload, then click Open. The file or files will be added to the Files to Upload box. The file names include the workstation name to make it easier to identify which are your offline files. Finish uploading the files by highlighting the file and clicking Upload File. Hold the Control key if you want to select multiple files. Before uploading, you're given the option to stop the upload if there are errors reported, for example, if there is an incorrect item or patron barcode, or to continue to upload and get an error report at the end. Select the option to continue and get the error report at the end. Click OK to run the upload. Once the upload is complete, the checkouts will appear in the patron's records, and you'll have access to a transaction log file. This has been a short video about uploading local offline files. If you have any questions, email help@ccslib.org.